What do you think about tires, bicycle tires, maybe one day car tires that use airless shape memory alloy? No more air, no more flat tire.
I would love that.
That's cool, right?
Hmm.
That's the type of innovation that you sit and look and you think, oh, we can do we got all this amazing stuff. What we got air in the tires for?
Yeah. And why do we have these giant compressor machines and
Seems
pumps
like a lot of
to
work, right? With all
yeah,
this air and stuff. Now air is good.
air is good, yes.
Air's. I'm a big air guy
Mm,
in general, so maybe it's just sometimes you land on the best technology sooner than later.
yeah.
But I always had this inclination that somebody's gonna do a tire. And I saw some of those prototypes. Like I think Michelin had the one with like the suspension,
Mhm.
rubber suspension pieces. Well, however it was that they did it, so it was softened by that extra section in the center. But I don't know if they ever released that product. It kind of seemed like a concept. Anyway, this technology over here is using NASA tech. The tires are called Metal, METL, and they're slated for release early next year. And they're going to start, I guess, on his bicycle. Now, it's not the first time, by the way, NASA tech has made it into the commercial products. They did the memory foam
Hmm.
mattress, came out of that tech, I guess. Anyway, this is a NASA spinoff tire technology. The company is called Smart, and they're using airless shape memory alloy for this bicycle. It was originally built for lunar and Mars rovers, where
Huh.
I mean you can't get up there and refill the air,
No.
and you get to pop tire up there. So the way that this is manufactured, it's composed of interconnected springs, never requiring inflation. The super elastic tires are built like titanium to withstand rugged terrains without going flat. Puncture-free riding, which can lure in eco-conscious cyclists sick of tossing rubber tires, tube tires, rubber tubes in the trash. Why did you say tubes so many times, Lou?
Tubers.
I just wanted to say tires, and then the article my eyes kept fixating on the word tubes,
It's a nice word
and I
to say.
couldn't leave.
Tubes.
Hey, man,